Hi, I'm Miss Kelly with the Forsyth County Public Library. Visual tracking. This is the ability to control eye movements. One way is maintaining focus on an object that moves across our field of vision. It's also being able to switch focus between two objects, such as looking up at a board and then copying onto a piece of paper. Visual tracking is necessary for reading, for following lines of text across a page. There are several different ways that we can do this with Baby. We can take a colorful object and then start on one side and let Baby's eyes follow it as we slowly move it to the other side. We can also use books, and this is tracking, just following the lines of text across the page, so you can just run your finger under that, which is also good for older children too, to let them know that these symbols represent letters which make up the words, so you can do that. And then bubbles. Bubbles are great for visual tracking because Baby takes the time to focus on a bubble, which typically moves slowly around their field of vision. They can reach for the bubble, which uses depth perception, and it's fun. So enjoy spending time with your little one, and thanks for joining us.